Hi there. Today we are going to talk about the texture upload in the Enterprise Catalog. First, click Enterprise Catalog in the left panel. Click Products, then Textures. You can create a new category and name the category. Choose the textures you want and upload. You can upload 20 textures at once. After that, fill in the information you want in the upload page. Name, material category, texture category, and the mapping dimensions. Click Confirm. Go back to the texture catalog. You can move the texture to different categories. See, it's in the new catalog. You can now delete the texture you don't want permanently. Click the texture to edit the details. Here you can edit different information of the texture, like name, states in the design, brand, SKU, price, etc. And even the e-commerce link. After editing, click Save. Now let's see how to use the textures in the design. Go to My Project, enter the project you want. Click the texture you uploaded, drag and drop the floor to apply. That's all for today. See you next time.